Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite expert. So today I'm on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas and I'm in one of my family's favorite suites in the industry. It's a 2-bedroom grand suite. There's tons of space for every member of the family. You have quite a bit of space here in the living room as well, and of course those upgraded suite amenities. I'll review all of that in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, your suite experience will start even before you arrive here on board, and of course your Harr Travel advisor can help you guide you through that to make sure you get the most value for your money. Now, you're going to have priority embark and disembarkation procedures when you get here to the ship and throughout your entire cruise. You're also going to have access to the suite lounge. Those fantastic suite concierge team, they're going to be there for you every step of the way. In addition, you'll have a wonderful suite breakfast and Chops Grill each and every day. You'll also be able to have special seating throughout the entire cruise, including the entertainment, which to me really takes the experience to another level. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, all of these suites are in the very aft of the ship. When you walk in the door, you're going to have a mirror here to get ready, a little nook. It's where I leave my key so I don't forget it. And then first, I'm going to take you into the second bedroom. Now, as we head in here, this particular suite can hold up to a total of 8 passengers. In here, you can set it up here with one large bed, together in the Royal King configuration, or they can separate it apart into 2 twins. In that case, they'd move the nightstand to the middle. Now, you do have a European plug by the nightstand over here. Always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the suite. You've got 2 Pullman style beds that come down from the ceiling, so you can technically put 4 guests in here with 4 twin beds. Now, directly across, you're going to find your vanity here. You can sit and get ready. There's a hairdryer. You have storage behind the mirrors on either side. You're also going to have another 2 European plugs and a US plug. Now, I always bring extra USB splitters so I can take advantage of one plug and charge all my devices. There's a temperature control in here, just like in every zone. And as we head around the corner, I did want to first point out this closet. So you've got a large walk-in closet, hanging storage that goes all the way across here. You've got those extra comfy Royal Caribbean bathrobes and slippers you can utilize with your time here on board. Now I'm going to start with the second bathroom here. As you step inside, it's very similar to the bathrooms you're going to find in the insides, ocean views, and balconies on board. So you're going to have mirrors here. You got storage just behind the mirror, a little bit of storage underneath, and toilet tucked just behind. Now you do have the step-in shower. Now I'm a really big guy. Believe it or not, I fit just fine. I love that they have the bowed-out shower doors in lieu of the shower curtain. You've got your adjustable shower wand. You'll have the clothesline that goes across. And once again, those highly upgraded Malin & Gens bath amenities. Now, having 2 bathrooms is such a wonderful feature with kiddos. Let's head inside to the master and check out the other bathroom. Now, as we step into the master bedroom, I just wanted to point out one of my favorite features. It's a door. I love that you have great separation of space here. Now, you're going to have storage just behind. So you'll see you have storage up and down. And then I'm going to take you into that other bathroom that I mentioned a minute ago. Now, stepping in here, you'll find that it is upgraded. So you've got the tile backsplash. You've got a larger mirror here with storage behind either side. US plug for a razor, a little bit of storage underneath, and the toilet tucked just behind. Now, this is a shower tub combo, more of those upgraded bath amenities, and I do wish it was a shower door instead of a shower curtain. But traveling with my kiddos, it's such a great feature to have a bathtub. For the kids, whether maybe you want to have a nice bubble bath yourself and soak. But here with the suite, once again, 2 full bathrooms, and in here, you'll have the shower and tub. Now, speaking of storage, you've got another full wall of storage here. So this is where you're going to find that you have shelves all the way up and down. On the other side here, you're going to see that you have more shelves, hanging storage across, and drawers down below. Directly across, you'll find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk, 3 European plugs, 2 US plugs. You've got storage behind the mirrors here. You're also going to find your hairdryer in here, and one of the large flat panel TVs. Fully interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You've got a little bit more storage up above there. This is where you're going to find your safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet, but not quite big enough for a laptop. Now in here, your bed is together in the Royal King configuration. It can also separate apart into 2 twins. Either way, there's plenty of storage underneath, and you've got a reading lamp on either side. I do like that you have a European plug over here. Once again, bring those adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs. Now as we step into the living room, once again you've got another door here and then the curtain for privacy, so you have that separation of space. You'll find your dining room table. Now you can order off the main dining room menu for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can also take advantage of that upgraded Chops Grill breakfast for suite guests only. It's also an awesome spot for family game night. Now as we head into the living room proper, you'll find another large flat panel TV. You have your mini fridge underneath here, quite a bit of storage just in case you have anybody utilizing this as a sleeping space. More storage up above, you got that champagne on ice ready for you. You're gonna find more storage all the way across, and another one of those suite upgrades is the Lavazza coffee maker. Start my day at home with an espresso. I love that I can do that here as well. Now you've got 2 comfy chairs and a large sofa that does fold out. So keep in mind, I said up to 8 passengers. You can get up to 4 in the second bedroom, up to 2 in the primary master bedroom. And then you can also get 2 more out here. Once again, it's also great for hosting friends and family. We've traveled with my nieces and nephews and other friends, and it's great to have that space where the kids can really mix up and around. Now, another great feature is the large balcony. Let's head out and check that out. Now we're out on your private aft balcony. Now you do have a large dining room table. Once again, you can have every meal right here, maybe a cup of coffee or tea in the morning or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. And then heading further back, you're gonna find 3 large loungers with cocktail tables. Now I will say with this particular configuration, it's not as private as you might find on some ships. So there's people up above, and then you can also see a little bit down below. And then one of the signatures of the Voyager class ships and the Freedom class is you do have this superstructure behind. I love the aft of the ship. There's just something about that wake kicking up in the distance, but it's important to understand you get a great amount of space here. You get all those sweet amenities, but there is a bit of an obstruction if that makes a big difference to you. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on harrtravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.